What is up, my peeps? Today we are going to be making some slime. Last time I did this, it was like a year ago. It failed, but I know here is what you're going to need to make this. This is fluffy slime. So, shaving cream, some glue, any glue would work. Food coloring of your choice. I'm using teal and rose. Borax and some water and a bowl and something to mix in and something to mix with. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna do is get your glue. Sorry if my hands are messy. You're gonna pour some of your glue into your bowl. Since I have big bottles, I'm only going to use a little bit of it at a time each time I make it. Then you're going to get your shaving cream and shake it and then pour your shaving cream in. As much as you want, because if you put a lot, then it will make it fluffy. And then you're just going to mix it. And since I'm using clear, you guys are probably wondering, oh, it must be clear, but then when I showed you this, it's not going to be clear once you make it if you're using clear slime, clear glue. And the way to make borax solution is with borax and water. I already made it, and then you just mix it until the borax dissolves. I put in 3 drops, 1, 2, and then 3. Put that aside. And then mix. You guys can't see it, but it's coming together really slowly. But like once you make it, you'll see a big blob. But after that, you're gonna still want to mix it and then put in some borax just to be sure. 1, 2. Taste. And then mix it. You don't want to put in a lot of borax, but as much borax as you need. It doesn't look slimy or sticky. It's not sticky. It's not sticky at all. Oh yeah, never mind. I take that back. Then you're going to take your slime out and knead it with your hands. And it's going to be a little bit sticky to you, but after a while, when you knead it, it'll start to get non-sticky. Oh my goodness. If you do it what I'm doing, it'll actually make the stickiness go way faster, because you can feel it not being sticky to your hands anymore. Uh-oh. And if you add lotion, it'll make it like stretchier, but since I don't have lotion, I'm not going to do that. Because there's a bad thing about it. It's too sticky, and even if you knead it all the way and you still want to play with it, it's still going to be sticky. It's going off the table. So that's only just coming in. After that, spread out. If you're on a table, if you don't have anything to protect it from getting on the table, then just stretch it out so that. Since I have the one that open, it's not the squirt ones. It's going. Oh, there's a little cap. So. How do you open these? Do you poke a hole? I'm going to use a fork. looking clear. I'm only gonna add a little bit. It's not coming out. What the heck? I got rigged. Why is it coming out so slowly? There, made 2 holes. Oh my goodness. I'm just gonna like put your food coloring in. Okay, that's enough. Oh! And it's a teal color. It looks green. As you can see, my hands are all slimy and teal. I thought this wouldn't stain your hands. Like, some colors stain your hands. Like, even if you're like done mixing it in, it stains your hands like purple and red. Clearly blue or teal. And then off camera, I'm gonna make more. Yeah. And then you can, after you're done mixing it, you can just play with it. I'm moving my table. Or not my table, the hotel's table.
Where did my Cheez-Its go?
Oh.
There's no more. I threw it away. Yes, there was.
Sorry if you hear noise in the background. And then all the slimes that I'm gonna make, I'm combining them together because since I also have another color, I'm gonna combine them all. See, make it look like a little galaxy with just 2 colors. And then this is what you guys should get, like this. Oh no, I didn't want that to be teal. I want that. Okay, whatever. This is how it's supposed to be. It's still gonna be stretchy even without lotion, so. Yeah, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Like, if you want to, subscribe. Please, let's try to get to 1,000 subscribers. I know we can do it. If we can do it, that would be amazing. My nail polish. I love you guys so much, and bye.